Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. I'm back. On today's video, I am going to declutter my kitchen. Guys, thank you so much for your prayers. God is so good. On today's video, as you can see, I am in my cabinets. Guys, it looked kind of rough. This is really my husband's spot and he has it a mess. So I decided to try to put this together and declutter so I can organize it, and I'm taking you along with me on this journey. Friends, I got a plan. For the month of January, I am decluttering my entire kitchen, and it's called Clean to a Better You. And friends, if you want to come along with me, I will have this link in my description box. I already got the plan. I'm just a little behind, but I'm still determined to do it for this month. And also, this is a close collaboration with a dear friend, Miss Camille Berry. And here is Miss Camille.
Hola friends, I'm Camille Berry and I love celebrating. Today, Penny and I got together to clean and organize our kitchens. I just moved into a new home and a lot of our things still need to get organized, so I'm happy to get a good start. On my channel, you'll find a lot of home decor, cooking, and travel videos. I love celebrating faith, family, food, and adventure. I hope you'll stop by and join my little YouTube family and find value in celebrating the good in your life. God bless you, and thank you, Penny.
And for this cleaning challenge, I'm going to use my older band, and I have to put on a mask because my sinuses is so sensitive to everything and dust to keep me from coughing, so I have to wear the mask, guys. So I hope that you get something out of this on the day. And also, this is the January challenge. So guys, if you want to jump along this challenge, it's never too late. What I'm doing today, I'm cleaning 2 and 3 cabinets at a time, going through some things because I'm going to repaint it and do a lot of things in my kitchen. And before I do that, I first got to declutter. So guys, I'm trying to motivate you. It's time, as a new year, we're hitting the reset button. It is time to get our house in order. Not just for the new year, but to keep it in order. And yes, I'm getting a little exercise on today because I have to clean the top shelf. And it does need painting. But guys, today is not the day to paint. It's to declutter so I can reset and organize this. And I will do that later on. These are liner for the shelves I'm going to use. And I bought it this time in black. And guys, don't use the sticky one because afterwards there's so much residue left. But I am going to use these. I got them from Family Dollar for $1. So I'm going to line my shelf up first before I reset it. Here I am going to empty these boxes of cereal that I had under my island food storage, and I'm using these in the home and garden. These are cereal containers and they are seal topped. And guys, you can buy these at Walmart, I believe at $9. You can buy these from the dollar store. They have them for $1. And I had 2 already and I bought 2 more. But one thing I didn't realize, and that is why it's good to measure and to try to organize. But if you're on a small budget, you don't have to buy them all at once. You can buy 2 a month or however you can. But I already had 2 and I bought 2 more. Now I am using these for my cereal, but I will also use them for other snacks too because it seals the food. And as you see earlier, it was so much cereal bags, cookie bags. That what was in here. This is really my husband hotspot. So this is what I'm trying to organize and make look better. So as you see, I'm just trying to figure this thing out, and I'm going to grab some more because they're stackable. So I love that. And right now I'm not going to label it, maybe later. Now these are some taller containers. I'm not sure the price, but they're Home and Garden from Walmart. And I'm going to use these and put these up top. And I'm going to put my rice Edam. And I'm telling you guys, I love them because you can put more Edam and you will see me change these. I moved my rice containers over here from the pantry because I have a closet pantry, and it's going to free up a whole lot of space. I was going to do my pantry today, but I have to reset it and do some things over with it. So, guys, I decided to do it this way. What you can do, and if you do this challenge or any other challenge to reset your home, do 3 cabinets a day. Guys, just pick a spot every day and just be serious about it. And I'm telling you, you can do this. And as you declutter your home, don't worry about it trying to look like a Pinterest look. Do what you can, because I'm telling you, every little bit is an improvement. So guys, I'm playing around with this, and like I said, it may not be picture perfect, but it is so much better. Friends, I'm on cabinet number 2 and number 3, and this is so very easy, and all I'm doing here is just reorganizing things, and I'm going to take away some dishes that I don't need and just reorganize it, and that's it. It is so easy. So some things I'm doing will probably be done in about 20 minutes, and some will take a little bit longer. So I just want to thank you so much for joining me. I want to thank Miss Camille for joining me on today. Friends, I hope you saw the improvement from my storage cabinet, pantry cabinet, whatever you want to call it. It is an improvement. And friends, I'm also going to change the liner in this cabinet, but not today. Because I got some other things I have to do, and I want to get this all done. And these little prep bowls, I bought these on Black Friday, and I had them in my island. So getting rid of a few dishes is freeing up my island. Now also on today, and I'm going to show you a little bit of this, I am going through my refrigerator. Yes, on that January challenge, it tells you to clean through your refrigerator. It tells you to clean behind your refrigerator. It tells you to clean the top of your refrigerator. So guys, I'm just going to do the inside, and then you will see me sometime this month. I'll pull the refrigerator out, clean on the bottom of it, do the whole 9 works. To be honest with you, since the holidays, I have not had a chance to get everything done and re-clean my refrigerator. It looks so much better. Guys, I finally got the tree down, but I'm gonna have to show you that on another video. But I'm so glad for this January challenge. You got to challenge yourself. Guys, I'm on a cleaning spree for this month. I'm cleaning myself into a better me because I'm going to get everything decluttered and organized in my home. Cleaner I'm using in the refrigerator is the vinegar and the water. So guys, I'm sanitizing this refrigerator, going through everything. I'm telling you, since I was a little sick, and I ain't gonna claim nothing, thank God for healing, I tell you, things just get so behind. How many of you guys know that, boy, things can get behind? So how many of you guys already took down y'all tree? Well, I hope I wasn't the late one, but I'm finally taking stuff down. And y'all remember that video, right? Where I decluttered my closet. So today I'm finally going to try to get this stuff out of my house. So I'm on the road, friends. One thing, friends, one thing about a refrigerator, you got to get inside of it and you got to clean it. I had to pull these shelves out. I had to take some of the glass out. I'm telling you, you got to really clean. And even behind these shelves, when you clean them, they come up. Guys, you will find out their food sometimes get behind these shelves. And I'm telling you, just wiping out a refrigerator is good. But I'm telling you, you got to really stay on it. And I'm so grateful to God for the strength and mercy that He give us as women to clean our home. Guys, I'm excited about this. And I hope this brings some motivation to you to get things done, even if you do it a little at a time. God bless y'all. I like to use containers, clear containers in the refrigerator, and it helps us to organize the food. You don't have to be so deeply organized, but just to help, And guys, I got a lot of these containers at a great budget. You can go to Sam's and they got the containers. It's a set, and I think it's for $19. I got it for the eggs, and some clear trays came with it. You'll be surprised if you shop around. You can find these stuff on a budget. Guys, go to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has a lot of refrigerator organizing, and it's only some of them $4.99, some $5 or $6. It just depends. And I'm telling you guys, you can do this. So I'm determined. Decluttering myself, cleaning to a better me. You feel so much better when your home is in order, your spiritual house is in order. So I said, God, I made this declaration this year. I'm going to clean and declutter my home. Friends, I'm all finished. And guys, I hope that y'all like this. And I did clean out those bottle tops, those squeeze bottles you use for your mustard and ketchup. Those things are something else. You got to keep that thing clean constantly because it gets so nasty. So friends, here's the before and the after pictures. So please tell me what y'all think. And if you want to join me in this challenge, you don't even have to tell me. But guys, there will be the information to this challenge on to declutter your entire kitchen for the month of January. Friends, I hope you join me. And those that are new, please do subscribe. I thank y'all so much, and I thank Miss Camille for joining me on today. Guys, please do subscribe to Miss Camille. Thank y'all, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye from Penny.